Hi guys, hope you're well. In this video we are going to talk about financial maths grade 11 compounding periods. Right, so let's consider that you are required to determine the value of 100 rand, right? The value of 100 rand. Determine the value of 100, determine the value 100 rand. Let's just say determine the value 100 rand will grow in 5 years time. In 5 years, if interest, let's consider that if interest is calculated at maybe 12% per annum compounded. Let's say it's like that, no? It's calculated at 12% per annum compounded. Maybe compounded what? Let's first say maybe compounded monthly. Okay, so when you're talking about compounding periods, the formula that you will always use is going to be A is equals to, which is the accumulated amount and the present value, open the bracket, 1 plus I to the power of n. So once there is a compounding period such as monthly, we all know that monthly will always be 12. We have 12 months in a year, so it's going to be 12, right? So they said determine the value 100 rand will grow in 5 years time if the interest is compounded monthly. If it's compounded monthly, first thing first, it's advisable to collect the data first. What is your present value there? Your present value, it's 100 rand. You have 100 rand at present. Then you have your I, which is 12%. So 12% will divide by 100. Remember that percentage means 100. So we are going to divide by 100. We convert it to decimal. So it's going to be 0.12 in decimals, right? So they said 5 years. 5 years, it's the number of period. It's also part of period. So it's going to be n, which is equals to 5 multiplied by 12, right? Guess that will be 60. So that will be 60. Okay, that will be 60. Yes, we're going to have 60. So let's plug this into, let's put this into practice. So this will be, we have our present value there as 100 rand. So it's going to be 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12, since it's compounded monthly. And remember the period, we said 5 times 12, which is 60 there. Then let's punch your calculator. When you punch your calculator there, what do you get? We are getting 181 blah blah blah. Correct to 2 days places, that will be 181 rand, 67 cent. So this is how you can apply this formula when your periods the effects of different periods, such as compounded monthly in this case. So let's look at number B. Let's consider number B. We'll take this as number B. Let's say now it's quarterly. Quarterly, it's a quarter of a year, meaning how many quarters do we have in a year? 4. So when you talk about quarterly, it will be 4. So let's plug this. We're still using the same statement. So let's write our formula there. A is equals to P 1 plus I to the power of n. Okay, so what will be that? So our present value we know that's 100 rand, as well as 1 plus 0.12 divided by 4 now, since it's quarterly. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by 12. 5 years, sorry for that. It's going to be 5. Don't forget the years. It's 4 times 5. Then let's punch our calculator. What are you getting when you punch your calculator? You're getting 180 and blah blah blah. That, and corrected to the C places, that will be 180,61. So that's how you can work out with this when it has to do with different compounding periods. Let's look at the last one. Let's consider the last one. The last one, we could just say, let's say it's semi-annually. Semi-annually, remember, when something is semi, it's going to be 2. So remember that as an interest is compounded semi-annually, you divide the given interest by 2. So meaning that the number of period must be half in half years. So semi-annually simply means half yearly, meaning that will be 2, guys. You are going to, when it says semi-annually, semi-quarterly, that's always going to be 2. So let's apply this. Still going to use the same formula, 1 plus I to the power of n. So it's going to be 100, that 1 plus 0,12 divided by 2, as well as 2 times 5. So punch your calculator there. So when you punch your calculator, that will be 179, comma what? We have 179,08, 179,08 cents. So that's how, guys, you can use a compound formula when you are given different compounding periods. Remember that when it's monthly, it's 12, quarterly, it's 4, semi-annually, remember that it's half yearly, it's the same as half yearly, which is 2. So, and remember that daily 365 and so on and so on. Hope you find this video useful. Grade 11, if you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? See you on the next video, where we are going to talk about effective and nominal interest rate. Thank you. We love you.